Imagine having a stunning, fully functional online store up and running in minutes without technical skills or coding knowledge. Instantly create premium eCom stores for different devices and languages with just a click. Store AI is first to market. New Shopify killer Google Bard-powered AI app instantly creates and publishes unlimited AI web stores, Android store apps, and iOS store apps in multi-languages for a low one-time fee. Loaded with multiple themes to create stunning stores, easily create tax invoice for products, manage payments like online payments, cash on delivery. Here's why Store AI is a fresh sunrise in eCom store creation arena. First to market, AI-based technology to create limitless eCom stores with top trending products. Create premium Android and iOS store apps and tap into this immense opportunity. Maximize affiliate commissions by promoting unlimited trending products from leading eCom platforms like Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, and others. Create premium eCom stores that get high ranks on Google with no third-party dependency. Stop creating age-old eCom stores that take tons of time. Let artificial intelligence take care of everything. Drive hordes of targeted traffic to your stores to make hordes of passive affiliate commissions. Say goodbye to manual work. Use artificial intelligence to do everything automatically. Instantly get your own fully automated affiliate marketing system that gets you free viral traffic and more sales. Save over $5,000 yearly and kick out dependency on third parties completely. Say goodbye to doing everything yourself for hiring expensive freelancers. Get more exposure for your offers and dominate your competition at will. 100% newbie-friendly technology, no prior tech skills needed. Premium, 24/7 round-the-clock expert guidance and support. Proven and tested technology that works smoothly in any niche and any offer. And the best part, even newbies like you can create your first profitable eCom store using artificial intelligence in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Login. To get started, just log in and enter the required details with a few taps of your mouse with no restrictions. Step 2. Give commands. Now, just go ahead, enter a few commands and let AI create your first store with top products in a few clicks. Step 3. Publish and profit. Great, you're all done. Now sell top trending products in your stores to hordes of audiences globally and start profiting right away. Ditch the hassle and complexity of traditional e-commerce solutions. Take advantage of this one-click setup and start building your dream online store today. Visit the link in the description box now to watch how fast and easy using Store AI is.